Hello, my crafty ninjas. Today I have an unboxing video for you. It is the Simply Gilded subscription box. We'll take a close look at everything, and at the end I'll have a sneak peek of 2 projects that I'm working on that are going to be coming up in the coming weeks. So let's get into the newest subscription box from Simply Gilded. It is Whale Tail. And this is a super cute box. Looks a little bit like a nurse shark on the front. It's got some lovely hollow silver foiling on here. And then on the back, it's really cute too, with the jellyfish with their iridescent tentacles, I guess, and iridescent juniper. So that is super cute. So let's get into this box. I know that some of y'all have probably seen sneaks and peeks because they do a great job. So here is what is in the box this month. We have a foiled journaling card, we have designer washi tapes, deluxe sticker kit and seals, large album with foiled details, B6 stitched binding notebook, engraved gel pen, engraved ink gel pen, a heart-shaped sticky notes, acetate and vellum sheets, washi cards, and a mystery item. So let's get into this really cute package. So much washi, so pretty, oh my gosh. All right, so this is a really lovely kind of powder blue. Our gel pen is blue ombre. It's a little darker, a little lighter in the middle, and then a little darker at the end. Same sort of style, has the nice covered tip. The cap posts really nicely, so I love that about them. We've got all the washi and coordinating colors with jellyfish and fish and holographic foiled details. So lovely. And then there's that washi add-on. I will roll those out for y'all later. We have the heart-shaped sticky notes. Don't think it said whether it was vellum or not. And they are vellum. So these are vellum, you can see through them. Super cute for just a really quick accent. And then this is the journaling card, super fun mandala pattern on there with the holographic silver foil. As always, blank on the back. Here we have some washi sample things, so you can put your washis on here. Yeah, they're washi cards. So let me grab a sheet of paper so y'all can see the patterns because they are lovely and see-through. So here is the striped one that matches the striped washi. Here is the jellyfish. Super fun with hollow. Love that jellyfish design. Little angelfish and a clownfish, I think, that keeps swimming. And then we have, I think it's a nurse shark again with a little flower on it. Really cute. So there's that. And then this is all on a light blue background. And then the same pattern that was on the journal card is on this washi card as well. So super great, love that. Was that this? I think that might have been the, that might have been the mystery item. Yeah, I think this is the mystery item. All right, then we have our sticker album, which is super pretty. A super pale blue with hollow foil. Super nice, nice and smooth and kind of buttery feeling, vegan leather, then the snap closure, and then silver hardware with just these lovely thicker plastic sleeves to put all of your beautiful stickers in. So let's start off by putting our journal card in here, and then our washi cards, and sticky note. Set that off to the side, and here are our stickers. So these stickers, so kind of pale colors with holographic accents. Great for underwater themed. So here is, I don't know, kind of like a periwinkle gray color with the flash star hollow in the background. Super fun with the icons. The next one up is really light as well. It's a light grayish color. Has a tiny bit of purple in it. Then here is the other small one, the cute little icons, holographic foil, and the different boxes in that same pattern from the journal card and the washi card. Here are the bow seals with holographic edging around them. This is kind of the grayish purple, lighter color, and then pink, and then the pattern in there. And here is a big one with the holographic in there. Fishies, our little ones. And the other sticker sheet, also with holographic foil on there. Super sweet. Love this jellyfish. All right, so moving on, we next have the vellums and the acetate. So the acetate this month is stars. You can definitely see that on the video. Holographic stars that match the stars that are on the album, and then that Mandela circle pattern that was on the journal cards. And that is lovely as well. Then last up we have our B6 stitched notebook. Let's try to get this open. Here we go. I love that these items are protected, but it's so much plastic and it's so hard to recycle. So there we go. We have that stripe pattern that I mentioned earlier with the holographic silver foil, the stitching, and its dot grid, which I love. So let me open the washi and start swatching the washi for you so y'all can see them. And I'm gonna use a washi card to try and tear the washi because I don't want to cut it. There we go. Oh, this is really sweet. Pink background jellyfish. The stripy pattern. That's really kind of a timeless color. Here we have the classic bows. The smaller bows. Here are the perforated washings. There we go, gorgeous hollow days of the week. And then our hollow checkoff circles. Actually, I don't think this one is perforated. So you can have the longest, most awesome looking to-do list ever. Oh wait, it is perforated. I just didn't see it. And then I will turn the page and I will sample the add-on washi to that. All right, this is not quite stardust, just stars. Hollow stars on a nice blue background. Lighter colored with mini hollow bows. We have pink hollow hearts. That is gorgeous. And then light pink and hollow stripe. All right, and last but not least, one of the Sparkle Pop pens These are really great. They write nice and bold, and let's see, here we go. Here's a swatch of the whole color line. I did have a problem with my gold, but you know, once you probably start scribbling, it'll probably start going. So pink, orange, green, blue, purple, black, gold, and silver. So those are that. I got the green, has a really great blue glitter on it. That's the green one that I got. So these are really great. They write really well on white and dark paper. So highly recommend those. These are awesome. All right, and let's get a close-up look of all of this washi. So here is that pink jellyfish rolled out, the stripes, this lovely sea scene with these silver foiled fish schools, holographic bows, smaller holographic bows, these stylized fishes and octopus, super cute. You have your perforated days of the week, your perforated to-do list, and then the washi add-on was these mini stars, these tiny holographic bows, pink hollow hearts, and really pale pink and shattered holographic foil stripe washi. So overall, a really great collection. Even the bag that it comes in is cute. Loving all the hollow accents. So that was a whale tail from Simply Gilded. Now, to let y'all take a little sneak peek at what I'm working on, I'm working on a tag project with the Lemon Blooms collection, so that's really great. Pulling out some vintage classic Teresa Collins dies for that, as well as creating my own die cuts with the PNG elements from her collection, which is super easy to do in, you know, your graphics program. I use Inkscape. I'll contemplate on doing a how-to on how to make these. But yeah, so there we go. Projects coming up. Oh, that's one project, because I'm going to use those for that. I have another one. And who doesn't love Shrinky Dinks? Yes, these are printed Shrinky Dinks of the Lemon Blooms collection, so stay tuned for that, as well as my tag project. So that is that. Thank y'all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow me on all things social, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye!